First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances to the lotus feet of Manpurpad Padma, Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Saraswati Madhurukti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Saraswati Madhurukti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Nitya Labhram Vishnupad Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas and presented all of my respectful guests.
Primeiramente, eu gostaria de prestar.
There is not so many. How many do you understand English?
Quantos devotos entendem inglês? Levantem a mão, por favor.
Yeah. 50-50. Okay. Those who directly listen English,
Eu vou sentar aí atrás. E aí,
those
quem
who
não
cannot
entender,
sit in back, see
eu vou falar lá atrás, tá bom?
because time very short.
Porque a gente não tem muito tempo.
Only half an hour. 30 minutes. Speak. I will speak simultaneously only 15 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes.
Então quem entende inglês senta pra frente e quem não entende senta lá no fundo ali e vai traduzir pro português.
So today is our last Harikatha here. Tomorrow we are going. I am with you 2 months, almost. How much you get benefit with the association Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava. This is depend on you. Understand? You may also to make the balance it. Balance it, understand? Profit and loss account. How much you get benefit or how much you lose. Understand? How much you collect sukriti, how much you collect offenses of others. This is depend on you. So today we are going to celebrate Giriraj, Govardhan and Puja, right? Because Brajavasi, those who are the residents of Braj, Brajavasi, their life and air, Pranadhan, that is called Giriraj, Govardhan. Govardhan is called the crown and jewels, the heart of the Brajavasis. Brajavasis, Hridaya Sampad. What is it? Hridaya Sampad. Sampad, understand? Sampad means wealth. Very nice, beautiful pastimes. That is called Annakut Maha Mahotsav. Maybe evening we also discuss about Annakut Maha Mahotsav. Anna means rice. Kut means mountain. The mountain of rice. Brajavasi, they like to eat rice. General people are thinking only Bengali people they eat rice. But when you enter in Shastra, and Krishna, he likes to eat also rice. Brahmastuti and Nomiddati, Abravapusa, and these slokas, many slokas. And also, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told in the Brajavasis, they ate rice and yogurt. That is called Dodhi Misrit or no? Dadi means
Yoga.
yogurt. Mixed means mixed. Anna means rice. So that means Krishna, he liked to eat
Right.
Yogurt mixed rice.
yogurt mixed with
Rice.
rice. And so now coming in this way, and how Giriraj Govardhan manifested. Though Giriraj Govardhan eternal and transcendental, Krishna Leela is eternal and transcendental. Krishna's three kinds of Leela. One is called Bhomo Leela. Bhomo Leela means he manifests his Leela in this material world. That is called Bhomo Leela. Bhomo Leela. Or another is called Aprakat Leela. Aprakat means transcendental Golok Vrindavan. That Leela is going on there. That is called Aprakat Leela. So Aprakat Leela, Sanskrit word, Aprakat Leela means eternal and transcendental. Or another is called Prakat Leela. Prakat Leela means when Krishna manifests his Leela in this material world for certain time. That is called Prakat Leela. Prakat means manifest. Then Krishna manifests his Leela in this material world only certain times, fixed times. How many years? 125 years. Then, in the same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifests his Leela in Navadvip Dham and 48 years. Ramchandra Tretaju, he manifested his Leela in Ayodhya 1100,000 years. 11,000 साल. 1100,000. This is total. 11,000. 11,000. 11,000 years, 11,000 साल. Not 11,000. 11,000 years. So in this way we see Krishna Leela, Rama Leela and Mahapurush Leela. Now coming in this way, if Krishna three dham Leelas dham also explained. One is called Prakat Dham, Aprakat Dham and Bhomo Leelas, that is called Drisyaman Prakash. Sanskrit word, that is called Drisyaman Prakash. Drisyaman Prakash means Leela is not going, but that the place of pastimes is there. If you go now, Mathura, Vrindavan, Giriraj, Govardhan, Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, you can see the places there, spot are there, places are there. But you cannot see the Leela. You went Giriraj Govardhan?
Yes.
And you parikrama, Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, you take bath in Radha Kunda. But you cannot see the Leela. So this place is called Drisyaman Prakash. So now again I explain Krishna three places. One is called Aprakat Dham, Prakat Dham and Drisyaman Prakash. Prakat means here. In certain time Krishna, brought his eternal dham and manifested in this material world. And then Krishna performed his Leela. When his Leela finished, and Yogamaya again arranged and returned back to his Aprakat Dham. Because Aprakat Dham, transcendental world, that Leela is going eternally. But that Leela also again two types. One is called Nitya Leela and is called Naimittik Leela. Nitya means eternally. Then he is going, Brajavasi saying, sing it. Nitya Dham, Nitya Dham, Nitya Seva, Nitya Dham, Nitya Seva, Nitya Kara, Athu Jam. Singing this song. What is the song? Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta Mani, Jaya Gopi Jan. Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta Mani, Jaya Gopi Jan. Radhe Radhe Roti Sham, Radhe Roti Sam Sam, Radhe Sam Jugal Naam Mero Hai Jeevan. Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta Mani, Jaya Gopi Jan. Nitya Seva, Nitya Dham, Nitya Pau, Atho Jam, Rakho Ruchi Sojo, Thakurani Ki. Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta Mani, Jaya Gopi Jan. Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta Mani, Jaya Gopi Jan. Ho bhai sahajari Radhe Rani ki, ho bhai sahajari Radhe Rani ki, Nitya Seva Vrindavan Maharani ki. Ho bhai sahajari Radhe Rani ki, Nitya Seva Vrindavan Maharani ki. Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta Mani, Jaya Gopi Jan. Mero eko pran dhanno eki ye jeevan, Mero eko pran dhanno eki ye jeevan. Sakire Nandan Madan Mohan Radhika Ram, O Nandan Madan Mohan Radhika Ram. Mero eko pran dhanno eki ye jeevan, Mero eko pran dhanno eki ye jeevan. Sakire Nandan Madan Mohan Radhika Ram, O Nandan Madan Mohan Radhika Ram. O Radhe Radhe Roti Sham, Radhe Roti Sam Sam, Radhe 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 Sham, Radhe Radhe Sham Sham, Radhe Sam Jugal Naam Mero Hai Jeevan, Radhe Sam Jugal Naam Mero Hai Jeevan. Ho bhai sahajari Radhe Rani ki, ho bhai sahajari Radhe Rani ki, Nitya Seva Vrindavan Maharani ki, Nitya Seva Vrindavan Maharani ki. Jai Vrindavan, Rasika Mukutta Mani, Jaya Gopi O Sami, so mero pyar, Sami mero avatar, Sami are singing this song. Just I mentioned, then the Nitya Seva, Nitya Dham. Eternally service to Krishna. And that Dham also eternal. Lila is going on there. And Rasa Lila, mainly Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, that Lila is called Rasa Lila. Rasa Lila means many kinds of Lila. Madhur Jula Sambhog Maya Lila included. That Lila is called Rasa Lila. Rasa Lila not means just dancing, singing, embracing, kissing. That is not only Rasa Lila. Rasa Lila means many Lilas. Conjugal meeting Lila is going on there. As like stealing the fruit of Krishna, that is called Bangsi Chari Lila. Very beautiful. Kapat, Nidra, Krishna sleeping, pretending, Krishna's pretending sleep. And Kapat, Nidra. Nidra understand? Sleep. And this is the line going on this. And Nauka Vihar, boat sporting Lila. Nauka Vihar, Jal Vihar, water sporting Lila. And in the water of Radha Kunda, that is called swimming Lila. Swimming Lila, understand what I told. Radha Krishna, they also, many kinds of Lila. Holy Lila, mainly also Holy Lila. Holy Lila, understand? Throwing the dust. Different color of the dust. But mainly the dust, that is called Gulal. Gulal means actually one kind of dust. That's the pink color. Very beautiful. This Lila is going on this. Holi Mahotsav. Vrindavan, that is the topmost Lila, the Holi Mahotsav. How Brijvasis and Gopis, they also playing with Krishna and throwing different color with the dust. That is called Gulal Kunda also there. And if you go there, and at the time of Krishna Lila, especially in the month of what is called spring season, and that time the water of the Kunda completely white and pink color. No one knew. And 1 month, and the water completely white, pink color. This. Many people, many scientists, they are coming. This is true or wrong? They try to taste the water of the Kunda. They could not find it. 1 month, the water of the Kunda completely white, pink color. Then after 1 month, when spring season finish, then water complete normal water, you know. Nothing. So just I was white saying, because in transcendental world, the Krishna Lila is going on there. Krishna is very merciful with his Yoga Maya. He manifests all his Dham, Parikar, everything in Braj. When his Lila finished 125 years, then
Goes back.
So for this regard, Sukadeva Goswami quoted this verse, Anugrahaya Bhaktana Manasa Dehamasitam. Then, voila. Bhajate Tadsa Kriya Yashutva Tattva. In Brazil, every day I gave injection to it. Mantra. Krishna is very merciful and wonderful. He manifested all his Leela from Golok Vrindavan to his home of Vrindavan. So now coming the very nice, beautiful pastimes. Once Krishna told to Srimati Radhika, Hey Radhe, I want to manifest my all this Leela, Golok Vrindavan Leela, in Bhoma place, this material world. Where conditioned soul, they completely affected with Maya, Maya. They don't know our transcendental world. And or they are suffering three folds of Maya, Adantik, Adidoinik and Adibhautik. If they listen our sweet pastimes, Lila Katha, even if they see our transcendental pastimes, Lila, Darshan, if they glorify my pastimes, they will be delivered from this material world and they will return back my abode. Krishna is called Paradukha Dukhi. And Krishna's heart always melted and taking darshan of the conditioned soul. How conditioned soul they are suffering? That is called Para Dukha Dukhi. Understand? Krishna told, "Hey Radhe, we have to go to material world and perform our this sweet lila." But Srimati Radhika, she told, no, I don't want to go material world. Why? Then Srimati Radhika told, there is no Giriraj, Govardhan, no Jabuna, no Gopis, cows. I don't want to go that place. And especially Giriraj, Govardhan. And if there are no Giriraj, Govardhan, I will not go there. Because Giriraj, Govardhan, this is called the heart and soul of the Brajavasis. Brajavasis, Pranadha, jewels of the heart. Brajavasis, Pranadha. So Srimati Radhika told, there is no Giriraj, Govardhan, no Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, Jamuna river, I will not go there. Then Krishna told, hey Radhe, don't worry. With my Jog Maya, I will manifest all this Dham, Giriraj, Govardhan, Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, Jamuna river, everything. Gopis, cows. Then Srimati Radhika, she told, okay, I will go. So in this way, Krishna manifest all his Aprakat Golo Vrindavan Dham in this Bhuma Vrindavan. Then when his Leela finished, then again return back Aprakat Golo Vrindavan. So for this regard, but mundane people they can understand. So for this regard, our Goswamis in this Grantha, Vasudeva Goswami wrote all his Grantha, how Giriraj Govardhan manifested, how Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda manifested. This Leela is this thing. Giriraj Govardhan's Katha is very sweet. And mainly we discuss Giriraj Govardhan Prakat Leela Katha. One is Treta Yug Katha, or another is called Dapar Yuga Katha. In Treta Yug, Ramchandra, he built the bridge over the ocean and with his what is called monkey armies, Banarsa. You know this katha. And that time, especially Nal and Nil, they also helped to bridge. They helped to build the bridge over the ocean. Because Nal, Nil, when touch the stone, the stone automatically what? Floated. This katha also in saying. And especially Hanuman, he brought all the stone from very, very far place. and just they touching the what is called stone and just chanting Ram Nam, and then throwing, then automatically the stone floated over the water. This, but you can looking in the TV, writing name Ram Nam, so who will write? Millions pieces of stone. How possible to write Ram Nam? Possible, impossible. You can say according to your mundane logic. Actual Gurudev told, just they chant Jai Sri Ram ki Jai, and throwing in the water, then stone automatically fall. So now in this way, Hanumanji, he brought one special stone, Parvat mountain, from very far from Himalayas. And there was one mountain, it's called Drona Parvata. What is it? Drona Parvata. Drona mountain. In the Drona mountain, in there also one small mountain also there. Actually, Drona son, his name Giriraj. And he brought that. Hanumanji, he brought. In the meantime, Ramchandra announced, now a bridge completed. No need any stone, no mountain, nothing. Otherwise, millions of monkeys, they will bring one stone, then you whatever. What they put. So for the Ramchandra, he announced, whatever you, you have to left, but drop that stone and mountain that place. Then all the monkeys, they dropped the mountain in that place. They did not bring. Now we are looking many places. You can see the stone mountain. How possible coming here? And sometimes you travel anywhere. The mountain is coming. Where is the mountain coming? Even in the middle of the ocean, mountain manifests. Actually, our Shastra is saying this way. When Ramchandra announced, then all the monkeys did. So the mountain, it dropped the mountain in that place. Or another thing also, in Satyajuga's Katha also this way, that time the mountain, they also fly as like bird. Then they disturb the people. Anywhere they land as the aeroplane. Understand what is called? Without moving. Helicopter can land it on the roof of the building. In the same way, that time mountain, they also fly, and also anywhere they land. And that time when the big mountain, then many people die. What will do? So for this regard, all they complain to King of Heaven, Indra. Oh, this mountain, they disturb us. Then Indra, he cut the wings of the mountain. Now mountain cannot fly. Mundane people, they can understand. But how possible mountain fly? But scientists, they also manufacture aeroplane. How aeroplane is flying? Many things also. Actual science, they research everything from Vedas, Upanishads. Now they manifest it. You understand? So now coming in this way, so Ramchandra when he announced, declared, no need bring any stone or mountain here, because our bridge complete. That time Hanuman, he was bringing that mountain Giriraj. Mountain name is Giriraj. And that time Hanuman just he came in the place of Braj. And then Hanuman he dropped this mountain Giriraj in Braj. Then Giriraj he prayed to Lord Ramchandra, oh, my life is useless. I cannot serve you. I can't to touch your lotus feet. Understand? Giriraj Govardhan, he cried and prayed to Lord Ramchandra, I can't to serve you. Kanava pran kisuka lagiya nartama dasakana nagara maria. If I not serve to you, what is my meaning? Useless. This is true. That time Ramchandra told, hey Giriraj, don't worry. After my Ram Leela, then I will perform sweet Leela. That is called my Krishna Leela. In my Krishna Leela, I will perform sweet amorous pastimes in your cave. Then Giriraj Govardhan very happy. Bolo Giriraj Maharaj ki jai. So for this regard, Giriraj Govardhan is here. Actual Hanuman, he brought the Giriraj Govardhan from far from Himalaya. That is called Drona Parvat. Actually Giriraj Govardhan is the son of Drona Mountain. This is our Shastra in this way. Explain. So now you are Giriraj Govardhan ki jai. Now coming in another sweet pastimes. How Giriraj Govardhan manifested. There was one sadhu, Advaitavadi sadhu. Advaitavadi, understand? Impartialist. How to know is impartialist? Impartialist sadhu, they also put Tripundadhari. You understand? 3 lines in there. We are putting tilak, or they are putting 3 lines. Understand? And chanting. And Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi, Alak Niranjan, Alak Niranjan, Alak Niranjan. Now Brahma, I am Brahma, and Brahma has no form and form. So that sadhu's name, what is his name? Pulastarish. He was staying in Kasi and perform hard austerities. Very hot place also. That. No mountain, no trees. Look like desert. Maruhu. Desert. Then one day Pulastarish is thinking. That is very hot. No mountain, no rain. So what to do? No trees. If you no trees, no mountain, rain will not come. For this regard, Pulastarish is thinking, I have one disciple. His name Dronari. Drona. So I have to go to Drona. Then Pulastarish, one day he came his disciple house. Drona Parvat. And Drona and his wife and his son Giriraj Govardhan very nicely served to Pulastarish. Maybe 1 month staying in their house and eating, sleeping, chanting Aham Brahmasmi Sadhu. Aham Brahmasmi Pragyana Brahma. Sarvam Khalidam Brahma. Advaitavadi sadhu they are saying. And all you are Brahma. Eka Brahma Ditya Nasti. Eka Brahma Ditya Nasti. But only one Brahma without second. All you are Brahma. 1 month he was staying and so inspired to them. What inspired? About Brahma. All the Brahma. Eka Brahma, Dita Nasti. Brahma Sapta Jagat Mitha. Jiva Brahma Panapara. Only absolute truth, Brahma. There is no Jiva. Brahma Sapta. Jagat Mitha. What you are looking in this material world, everything is what? False. So 1 month, Pulastya Rishi in this way preached Brahmavad. This. Then after 1 month, he saying, oh, I have to return back my bhajan stali. Where?
Kashi.
Kashi. Return back my bhajan stali, Kashi. Then when Sadhu, that time, according to the Vedic culture, he had to give some dakshin, donation. Then he told Gurudev, Drona, he asked Gurudev, what dakshin I have to give to you? Then Pulastya Rishi told, I don't want any donation. No, Gurudev, I have to give to you. If Sadhu come your house, you have no to give donation, nothing. Then Sadhu will take all your punna. Understand? This Sadhu also saying this. It is better Sadhu should not come in my house. Sadhu should not come in my house. If Sadhu will come in my house, Sadhu will take all my punna. Punna understand? Pious activity. So it is better Sadhu should not come. Or if Shastra saying, if Sadhu will not give donation to Sadhu, Sadhu will take your punna. So what is best?
Sadhu come and he give donation.
If Sadhu will come, you have to give donation. As far as applicate something is better than nothing. My Gurudev told, you have to give something to Sadhu Guru Vaishnava. Something is better than nothing. Oh, we go, Wait, Lilananda. Have to go now. Okay, just a couple of seconds. Finish. That time he took Pulastya Rishi said, okay. No, Gurudev, I give donation to you. That time Pulastya Rishi said, oh, okay. You give, I am Sadhu. I have nothing. I have need one servant. Sevak. And I am old. At least one brahmachari should travel with me. And at least he will carry my blanket and my water pot. Jalpat. Okay. But that will be, then Pulastya Rishi will give one good donation. What donation? Give your Shan Giriraj Kapoor. That time what to do? Very difficult. To give donation, your son. This is true. But Pulastya Rishi, then Giriraj a drone he gave. He said, okay, my son, you go with Sadhu and stay serve. But drone a Giriraj he told, my whole life I sacrificed to Krishna. And how possible I travel and stay with and impersonally Sadhu, Nrisarvadi. I don't want to go. But what to say in front of Sadhu cannot say. Then Giriraj Govardhan, okay, I can go with you. And how many conditions? 3 conditions. And you can hold me, put in your hand and bring your place. Then I will go. Second, and when your body will contaminate, that time you cannot carry me. Third condition, if you put me any place, I cannot move 1 inch. I have to stay there. Then Pulastya Rishi said, maybe what is I am jogi, just 1 second. With my jog process, again, very quickly arrived in my place. So, Pulastya Rishi took Giriraj Govardhan on his hand and coming in Braj. That time Giriraj Govardhan prayed to Krishna, Hey Krishna, please save me. I want to serve your lotus feet. I don't want to go with impersonalist sadhu. Please. Then Jogmaya arranged. You pray to Krishna, Krishna will arrange. Then Pulastya Rishi said, Soma, what's it called?
Urge to go to
Pain coming to passing water, you know, it's happening. Huh? Pass water. Huh? And that time, he also left Giriraj Govardhan in Braj. In this place now we are looking at it. Eh? Then he also passing water. And how many years, who knows? Shastra saying this. Then after a few minutes, then he read, oh, and I have to take bath. Then he took bath, snan. Then to Giriraj Govardhan, you come in my hand. Then Gurudev, I will not go with you. Only stupid nonsense, you will not listen to my advice. Well, what you say, Gurudev? Why? Because you already told, you already took vow. The fire will put me, I will not move 1 inch. That time Pulastaris he gave cars to Giriraj Govardhan. Okay. Every day, one size of mustard seed, you will be down in the earth. But Giriraj will, okay, no problem. I accept your cars, but I will never go out from 1 inch from Braj. But Giriraj Maharaj, in this way, Krishna Giriraj Govardhan manifested in Braj. Understand? Braj. And then when Krishna manifested his Leela, and his cape of Giriraj Govardhan, Krishna performed sweet Leela. Pramoda Madana Leela, Kandari Kandati Siddhamandam, Idike Ila Kalanartha Lagna Kastu Dayorme, Nijar Nikata Nivasanam, Dehi Govardhanatam, Anupamani Vedi Ratna Singhasanorivi, Rojari Darsanu Darsam Desurangoi, Sahabalas Devi Sankeleon, Sapriyang Me, Nijar Nikata Nivasanam, Dehi Govardhanatam. Raghunath Das Goswami, Giriraj Govardhan, Prarthana, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pal, our Rupa Goswami Pal, all our acharyas, they glorified about Giriraj Govardhan. Not only Srimati Radhika herself also glorified Giriraj Govardhan. Antaya Udriya Bola Haridas Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda Manang Tanuti Sahagopa Ganai Praniya Sujabasa Kandara Kandamore Bala Giriraj Maharaj Ki Jai Shri Ram. So you practice this Leela. We'll do. Yes. Krishna Kripa. Yes. Nicely director. Plus there is. We need 3 person need, not so many. And short Leela.
Already arranged.
Already arranged.
Gopal, Krishna Balaram and Vishwajit.
My chadar is there. Chalo.